Hi, Andrzej here for tabletblog.de. I'm at McDonald's right now, and in front of me I've got the new iPad. It's still a couple of hours until the official Apple stores are going to sell this new iPad. They will sell it at 8 a.m. But M&M trading store here in Hamburg in Germany already sold it at midnight. And I got it right after midnight, and now I'm here at the McDonald's to unbox this because I'm pretty much stuck in the city for a couple of hours. Again, it is at night time right now, but yeah, we want to unbox it, of course, as quickly as possible. This is the new iPad. Let's put it out of the box. The box hasn't changed a lot since the iPad 2 and iPad 1. You already know that, but we want to take a quick look anyway. This is the new iPad. I got the white version, obviously, 16 gigs and Wi-Fi only. I already unboxed it for the German video, so I don't have this nice thing here to pull the iPad out, but it doesn't matter because obviously it worked anyway. Okay, in here we have a couple of warranty stuff, quick manual and some stickers and so on. Warranty, we already know that. Nothing much has changed compared to the first two iPads. Still the old cable, still the old power plug, exactly the same as on the other two iPads, with a German European adapter, of course, here. Yeah, and let's take a quick look at this new iPad. The main difference between this new iPad and the iPad 1 and 2 is the new Retina display. It's still a 9.7-inch display, but with very high resolution. Again, Retina display. The first two iPads had a resolution of 1024 by 768. And yeah, what else has changed? The design hasn't changed, as you can see. You still have this power button here, except some rumors said that it won't have one, but obviously has one. We already saw that at the announcement. This little FaceTime camera here on the top. On the back we have this nice Apple logo, speakers on the bottom, the pin connector, and on the side two buttons to control the volume, this locker button, power button, headset port, a microphone, and also a new 5-megapixel camera. The pictures and videos should be very impressive. We will test that later on. Yeah, what's in this iPad? The new iPad, not iPad 3, just iPad. It's a A5X processor from Apple. I think it's manufactured by Samsung. But anyways, it's a 1 GHz dual-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, and the main difference is the graphic chip. It's now a quad-core chip, so the performance should have improved a lot, which we will see in gaming. Yeah, we can turn it on right now, but as I said, I'm in a McDonald's right now, and I don't really have Wi-Fi here, so I can't connect it to iTunes, and I can't activate it on the fly. I will do it later on today. I have to charge my Galaxy Note first to use it as a hotspot. Then we will have no problem using the iPad in a couple of hours. Yeah, this is pretty much the new iPad. It's a little bit heavier than the iPad 2, but honestly I can't really feel it. I don't have the iPad 2 with me right now. I guess if you compare it side by side, then you feel it, and also it's a little bit thicker, but if you don't have the iPad 2 with you, you don't really feel the difference. Yeah, this is the new iPad. Stay tuned on youtube.com/minipcpro and of course tabletblog.de for further iPad videos. I'm Andrzej for tabletblog.de.